Title: The Secret Lake. One sunny afternoon, a girl named Meera wandered away from her village to explore a hidden path behind the hills. Everyone said a secret lake was there, covered in mist and full of enchanted beauty. Meera, always adventurous and curious, followed the trail. Birds chirped around her, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of flowers. After a long walk, she found a shimmering lake surrounded by glowing blue flowers. As she stepped closer, she saw a gentle deer drinking from the water. The moment the deer saw her, it walked to a tree and disappeared into a hidden passage behind it. Meera entered the passage and found a peaceful sanctuary full of animals that spoke in whispers. A wise turtle welcomed her and explained that this lake was protected by nature's magic. The turtle gave her a silver shell that could glow when danger came near and asked her to keep the lake safe. Meera nodded and promised to return whenever the lake needed her.
Vocabulary: words and meanings. Secret: something that is hidden or not known by many. Enchanted: magical or filled with charm. Adventurous: willing to try new or risky things. Curious: eager to know or learn something. Shimmering: shining with a soft light. Gentle, kind and calm. Passage: a narrow way or path through something. Sanctuary: a safe and peaceful place. Wise: showing good judgment and knowledge. Glow: to shine softly. Thanks for watching.